and go below the medial one and bring your medial one to this side. Okay, this way.
Congratulations, Mahajun.
Take this loop from left or right?
Okay, do you think you learned something at this workshop?
Yeah, I definitely will learn how to type. Actually, I will not learn anything in this workshop.
Okay,
I mean,
do you
if
think...
you get the fun, you get it. If you don't get it, then you did not learn.
Do you think you're gonna start tying your shoelaces like this?
Definitely not like this. But also, as in this time I meant with the NOT, not the KNOT.
Scan the QR or just put in the quiz code. Also, the first
What are they
Manna's
doing?
acting to the game and he's gonna win, so he got a naughty pun. I mean, a naughty pun.
Dr. Manan, how did you like teaching us today?
I realize that sometimes what your mind knows, your eyes still can't see.
What the hell? How did you feel the word?